Changed your mind about what?
Helping me. You know that guy I've been seeing?
The one who keeps you waiting in the hall for hours?
Yeah. Well, turns out he hasn't been working late. He got arrested in some big misunderstanding.
So you're hoping that Jesse can make the charges go away?
Well, he is the chief of police.
That doesn't give me the authority to pick and choose who stays in jail. I'll tell you. Oh,
Ooh.
all right. Right now, I gotta make sure we all stay alive. Hey, JR, come here. Hey. All right, that should help.
Yeah, for now. A few tables and chairs ain't gonna stop this place from being flattened if a tornado touches down. Without any cellar, what do you think our chances are?
A lot better than they were a minute ago.
Come on. Really, answer your damn phone.
Are you okay?
What the hell was that?
Next time we listen to the sirens, okay? That was a bloody tornado. Greenland.
Came out of nowhere. One minute it was quiet, the next thing, it was like a freight train.
Uh-huh.
He hadn't pulled me into that ditch.
If I hadn't pulled you into that ditch, you wouldn't be standing here right now.
Thank you.
You can thank me after I warm you up. You're freezing. Look at you, perfect. Okay, we'll just fire this thing up. We'll be okay. There's gotta be some matches around here someplace, right? There's gotta be.
Wasn't Daddy, but I guess we're just gonna have to wait for that special dessert. I am sure he will be home soon.
A tornado warning is
Right?
issued
Yes, he
for
will.
Pine Valley and surrounding counties until midnight tonight. Now, several funnel clouds have been seen up in the sky, one actually touching down just moments ago north of the city. Now, no injuries have been reported as yet. However, this could change as the storm cell makes its way towards more heavily populated areas.
Those in the path of the storm are advised to seek shelter in a basement or interior room under sturdy or cushioned protection of some kind, such as heavy tables or mattresses. Stay inside and off the road until the storm passes. Once again, driving is not recommended, as conditions could change without...
Hello?
Zach, forget the s'mores, okay? You need to turn around and come back home now. A tornado has touched down, and it's all over the news.
No, I heard the radio, yes. I'm on my way back. I'll be there in a few minutes.
Please, please be careful.
It's actually not bad out here now that the wind's died down.
Zach! Zach!
What's the latest from the weather service?
Tornadoes are touching down all over the place. One up in the mountains, another just hit down by the marina.
Any injuries?
We haven't been able to get close enough to check. Roads are a mess. Trees and power lines are down all over town.
Well, you make sure everybody is off the streets, all right? I want everybody to take cover now. Nobody goes back out on the search until this is done. Over.
Any word from the hospital? I've been trying to reach Tad to see how Opal's doing, and his phone just keeps going to voicemail. Same thing when I called Ruth about Jenny.
Yeah, well, the storm obviously has taken out their service. The hospital hasn't been hit, but a lot of other places have.
What about River Road? Any tornadoes touching down where my dad lives?
Not yet, but the sirens are still going off all over the place. We seem to be the only ones in the clear. For now.
You've been at that for about 20 minutes. Hasn't budged an inch.
Well, what do you expect me to do? Sit here and wait silently to be rescued? As far as our families are concerned, we're out of town, remember?
Step aside.
What?
You heard me move.
What, well, you think you can do better?
Watch and learn.
Excuse me, have you seen a little girl? She has blonde hair and blue eyes, and she's 6 years old.
No.
Are you sure? Her name is Emma, and she was wearing a raincoat, and she was wearing this scarf.
Sorry, we need to lock up.
Anything?
No, I checked everywhere, the bathroom. I even went back to her seat.
How could you let this happen?
I'm so sorry.
Oh, my God. Where could she be?
I don't know.
Okay. Okay, this isn't helping. Go back to the penthouse. It's only a few blocks away. And if you hear anything, call my cell phone. Do you understand?
Oh, what about Mr. Levery?
I can't think about Ryan right now. I have to find my daughter.
Okay, okay, all right. Okay, don't move, okay? Okay. Wow, just stay. I gotta find something to stop the bleeding, okay? I gotta find something right here. Need the matches.
Probably hiding in a corner somewhere laughing while you stumble around in the dark and I bleed out.
That's not funny, Greenlee. It's not funny.
One near-death experience and you lose your sense of humor?
No, but two would probably do it. Here. Okay. All right. Okay, right here. Just take a piece of this. All right?
Have I really become that girl?
Just use the whole thing.
The one who always finds herself in distress?
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that because I will always be there. Okay?
The number you have dialed is not in service. Please check the number and try again. Please check the number and try again.
It's okay, guys. It's all right. Daddy's coming home. Yeah. Yeah, Daddy's gonna be home real soon, okay? Be home any minute.